titled Rock and Roll in Noise Pollution. What a title. Let's go. Wow, guys, perfect closer. Absolutely perfect, guys. I mean, the intro instantly grabbed my attention. Then the groove, settled. And I mean, this song feels like ACDC making a statement about, who they are. I mean, the title alone says everything. Rock and roll isn't noise. I mean, it's expression, it's attitude, it's culture, and, it's freedom. The laid back groove works beautifully as a closing chapter. The album doesn't end with an explosion. It definitely ends with confidence, which I love. The band doesn't need to scream. They already proved everything they needed, to prove. This is definitely a 10 out of 10 song for me. Yeah,